On this worksheet, rational expressions, we're going to take a look at number 2e. And 2e is a complex fraction in that we have a fraction embedded inside a fraction, and not only that, we have these plus and minus pieces. So one way to deal with this is we don't really want these embedded fractions, so an easy way to get rid of these is to multiply, in this case, the top fraction by x minus 2. That will cancel out that denominator. But when we do that, we have to multiply the bottom with x minus 2 to balance that fraction. We want to do the same with this x plus 2 as well. So to get rid of this x plus 2, maybe I'll just color code this. To get rid of the x plus 2, we want to multiply the denominator with x plus 2. And that will allow these to cancel. And to keep it balanced, though, we have to make sure we multiply the numerator by x plus 2. So what we've done by doing this is we're going to eliminate this fraction inside a fraction with that, and we're going to eliminate this fraction inside a fraction with that. So notice that in the numerator I'm multiplying, so that's a times and divide that cancel. There's nothing that cancels with the x plus 2 in the numerator. In the denominator, there's nothing that will cancel with the x minus 2, but here we have a divide in the denominator, and we have a times by x plus 2 in the denominator, and those will cancel. Okay, so we need to then figure out what is left over. Now, remember that when we multiply, only the x minus 2 will cancel when we multiply the fraction. It does not cancel when we multiply the 1. The same down here, the x plus 2 will cancel when we multiply the fraction, but it will not cancel when we multiply the 2 in the denominator. So, being careful with our multiplication here, we're going to end up with 1 x minus 2 x plus 2, because nothing canceled here, minus, and then we have our 3, and the x minus 2 cancels, but the x plus 2 doesn't cancel, so we have to have our x plus 2 factor there. Okay, so we have to be careful when things cancel and when things are not canceling. So same here, we have the 2, and nothing cancels, so we're going to have x minus 2 x plus 2 plus, there's the x plus 2 and the x plus 2 cancel here, so we're left with the 3 and times an x minus 2 that didn't cancel when we multiplied that fraction. So there it is, we've gotten rid of that embedded fraction. We can now expand this and simplify. So we're going to end up with x squared minus 4, be careful of that, minus 3x minus 6. Remember to distribute the negative onto the plus 2. We're going to combine like terms there. In the denominator, we're going to have 2 times x squared minus 4 plus 3x minus 6. Okay, so we have to, if we want to do any more canceling, we have to factor. So I'm just going to rewrite this quadratic. X squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so that does factor. I'm going to simplify the denominator. 2x squared plus 3x minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. Okay, so then factoring the numerator, I get x minus 5, x plus 2, and the denominator, just going to do my quick box here, 2x squared negative 14, so that's going to be negative 28, and two numbers that multiply to negative 28 and add to positive 3 would be plus 7 and minus 4x. So we get 2, so the 2 is going to come out this way, we're going to end up with a minus 2 here and a plus 7 here. So we end up with x minus 2, 2x plus 7. There are no common factors, so this we can leave our answer like this. We do need to state restrictions, so x cannot equal anything that ends up in the divisor, so plus or minus 2. We also have a divisor here, and our final answer, so x cannot equal negative 7 over 2. Okay, so that's our restrictions. That's our final answer over here.